Every person has wondered at least once what it really means to be successful. For some, it's wealth, recognition, and status. For others, it's doing what they love, living in harmony with themselves, and feeling free. But no matter how you define success, the path to it always begins with one simple step: realizing that you are responsible for your own life. As long as you wait for circumstances to change on their own, nothing will happen. True transformation begins the moment you decide that you will no longer accept things as they are. The first thing to understand is that success is not luck or a gift from fate. It is the result of persistence, self-development, and consistent action. Even when you feel tired or uninspired. The world is full of stories about people who achieved great things, not because of favorable circumstances, but despite them. They simply refused to give up. Small, repeated steps eventually create a powerful effect that becomes visible over time. Failures are inevitable, but they shape your character. A mistake is not a defeat. It's a lesson, a signal that something needs to be adjusted before you move forward again. The second essential component of success is personal responsibility. As long as you blame others, your parents, the government, your boss, your partner, you're giving away control over your own life. Responsibility is not a burden, it's freedom. The moment you understand that everything depends on you, you gain strength. When you realize that you can influence your own destiny, you naturally begin to act. Every choice you make, every decision, becomes a brick in the foundation of your future. The next step is to find your purpose and meaning. Many people work tirelessly, yet never feel fulfilled because they're not walking their own path. Success is impossible without understanding what you truly live for. Ask yourself, what brings me joy? What would I keep doing even without immediate reward? What legacy do I want to leave behind? The answers may not come right away, but the very process of searching for them sets you in motion. When your actions have meaning, even difficulties feel different. Not as obstacles, but as challenges that help you grow stronger. The fourth key to success is discipline. Many people begin their journey with enthusiasm, only to quit when motivation fades. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is lasting. It's built through habits, waking up on time, planning your day, keeping promises to yourself even when it's hard. Each time you overcome inner resistance, you strengthen your character. Eventually, discipline becomes part of who you are, and success becomes an inevitable outcome. Your environment also plays a huge role. We subconsciously adopt the attitudes and behaviors of those around us. If you spend time with people who constantly complain or make excuses, you'll start to think the same way. But when you surround yourself with those who grow, inspire, and pursue goals, your own life begins to transform as well. You don't have to change your entire circle overnight. Just be selective. Listen to those who have already achieved what you're striving for. And don't forget about your inner state. Success is impossible without self-belief. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance. It's a quiet certainty that says, I can. Even when everything seems against you, hold on to that feeling. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Confidence grows from experience, from small victories over fear and doubt. Each time you push past your limits, your belief in yourself becomes stronger. Finally, remember that success is not a destination, it's a process. It's not a medal, a job title, or a number in your bank account. It's the ability to be grateful for what you have while still striving for more. True success is a balance between achievement and peace of mind, between taking action and staying aware of who you are. You can change your life at any moment. It doesn't matter where you start, from zero, from failure, or from the middle of the road. What matters is that you start. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, because it doesn't exist. Every day you spend standing still is a lost opportunity. Take a small step today. Read a book, make a decision, start a conversation, go to the gym, launch an idea. What matters most is movement. Success is not the privilege of the chosen few. It's the natural result of persistence, awareness, and faith in yourself. When you take responsibility for your life, act with discipline, and never stop learning, change becomes inevitable. Everything you need is already inside you. You just have to believe it and take the first step. From that moment on, the true story of your success begins.